Excuse me. Your arm. I need your arm. Her name is Angel. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you're used to this, huh? You are? You're so used to it? So where did they go back to?
4 years ago I lost 37. 3 years ago I lost 25. 3 years ago I lost 25. 2 years ago I lost 20. Last year I lost 12.
Wow.
But they will go to San Francisco.
Yeah, they will go to San Francisco.
Yes.
They just fly.
They don't come back sometimes?
Yeah.